Now, if you're thinking that this is a can of penetrating oil, well, you couldn't be further from the truth. This isn't what it appears to be, and I'm going to tell you all about it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of CJ Drill, and if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome to you. You know, we're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now at the top of the video I talked about this right here, this penetrating oil, and I told you it's not what it appears to be, and it's not. Actually, it's not penetrating oil. It's a tool. Sort of. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let's just jump right into it. All right, what we have here, it says on the can, multi-purpose oil, lubricates, penetrates rust, and cleans. Now what we're going to do is, well, I'm going to remove the cap here, and I'm going to push down, and let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Because folks, it's not penetrating oil, it's not machine oil, it's a safe. At the bottom of the can, it's a false bottom. It just comes right off and it reveals a little hidden cavity there that allows you, well, to hide things. In my case, I like to, have a little money hid around the house. But the problem with that is, well, where do you hide it? Where do you place it where it's not in plain view, but it is in plain view? And this tool allows you to do it. I like how it blends into my shop or my home, because there's nothing unusual about having, well, a spray can of multi-purpose oil or penetrating oil. I found this product on Amazon for, I think it was $12.99. It might have been $14.99. I'll place a link in the description below so you can find it for yourself. They not only had cans that mimic penetrating or spray oil, they also had shaving cream cans. They had cans of vegetables and fruits that you could store things in and then hide in the pantry. I think it's a pretty ingenious way to hide things of value in your home. The holiday season is upon us, and if there's a gadget or a tool or a product that you want me to check out, comment below. Say, Lee, I want you to check this out before I run out and spend my hard-earned money and it's not worth it. And what I'll do is I'll reach out to the brand and see if I can get the brand to send it to me, and maybe I can review it before the holidays really grab hold of us, and it gives you an idea of whether or not that would make a good gift or not, okay? So comment in the comments below about a tool, a gadget, a product that you would like me to review in the next coming weeks to help you decide whether or not that's something you want to spend your hard-earned money on. So this is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.